So I teach fundamentals of marketing, entrepreneurship, business management, and advertising. We also learn about how to run a business. We run the school store here at North. We have a cookie fundraiser that we do, where we bake cookies and we sell them. So if you're the entrepreneurial mind, I feel like this class would be a good class for you.
It helps you have leadership skills, be more confident, and get to know more people, make new connections, and it builds really good relations for you.
Definitely take it, because you can make so many new connections and just meet new people and learn all these skills.
It definitely helps you become more confident, like in public speaking, leadership, your leadership. We're kind of one of the bigger clubs here on campus, and so if you're interested in the leadership part of it, I think Deca is a really good club to join. You meet a lot of people and you get to do a lot in the community, and we help out everyone here, like other clubs and everything. We're just kind of one big happy family.